Purposeful Nudge introduces the new entry-level opportunity, the AI Edge, auditing the human premium, from doer to orchestrator, future-proofing your career in the agentic era, where the human interaction adds the value at the edge.
For decades, professional value was defined by the grind. Success meant navigating application windows, managing high-speed checklists, and manual execution. But the AI PC is a shift away from that role. With Agentic AI, your computer is no longer just a faster processor. It's an autonomous digital worker capable of reasoning through goals and acting on your behalf. This chart measures the time cost of a standard presentation update. On the right, the manual approach takes 268 seconds of constant clicking. The left orange bar shows the AI version, hitting the same objective in just 146 seconds, a 1.8x efficiency gain. This happens because the system uses contextual understanding to eliminate the manual labor. It removes the need to copy and paste between windows, reducing context switches from 7 down to just 2. If a machine can parse documents and generate materials while you watch, the doer identity has reached its limit. The manual executor is being replaced by the architecture they use. This autonomy requires a hardware engine called the Neural Processing Unit, or NPU. Unlike a traditional CPU that struggles under continuous AI workloads, the NPU handles background streams efficiently. It runs tasks like data indexing as background microservices, keeping temperature stable and power consumption low. On older hardware, these same sustained tasks are a liability. Running them can drain up to 30% of a laptop's battery in a single hour and cause the device to become uncomfortably hot. When your computer is physically designed to execute your routine tasks silently in the background, you have to ask what value you're still bringing to the table. The answer lies in a new role, the orchestrator. You're no longer doing the work. You are directing the intelligence that does. Modern enterprise AI doesn't rely on a single model. It's an agentic swarm, a portfolio of local agents, cloud models, and specialized tools all working at once. Your role is to build the routing map. You decide which tool gets which task based on complexity and data sensitivity. This is where local security matters. The orchestrator keeps sensitive internal documents on the on-premise AI PC, ensuring they never leave the firewall. Higher value reasoning or ambiguous research is then routed to expensive external frontier models in the cloud, where the computing power is highest. In this system, you aren't evaluated by individual clicks. Your value is found in the governance, security, and efficiency of the workflow you've designed. But there is a trap in hyperautomation. As operations become more efficient, they become more abstract. The system moves so fast it becomes disconnected from the person on the other end. Research shows 59% of consumers feel companies have lost the human element of service. When a workflow is purely algorithmic, it defaults to transactional exchanges. This efficiency erodes the emotional loyalty that brands spend years building. If every interaction is optimized for token cost and speed, you sacrifice the relational capital that makes a business durable. A company built only on machine execution is fragile. It works perfectly until a high-stakes crisis hits, a moment where a user needs validation, not just a fix. This is the human premium. It is the ability to provide emotional validation to an anxious client. Assets and AI lacks the acuity to replicate. Success now requires a clear division of labor. The AI agent triages the data, but the human builds the trust. To stay relevant, stop trying to outcompute the machine. Evolve into the orchestrator. Manage the digital swarm to reach scale, but serve as the trust anchor who ensures the outcome remains human.
For more insights, subscribe to Purposeful Nudge and start rewiring your field services organization today.